Our company is established in 2016. From the 8 years, we are focused on the anti-drone solutions, anti-drone systems, just to protect the area against the intruders, drone, enemy drones. We focus on the jamming, and we have a cooperation with some technology companies from outside, and we are also consultant for the companies that they're looking for particular solutions. So we just meeting, analyzing the situation, if it's a prison, airport, critical infrastructure. After that, we just choosing some tools, some systems from the market. It could be our system, but also we can be cooperating with other companies around the world, so we can deliver something which we haven't. And you could see products that we made at our company, but also some other systems. And generally, the most important is that the system should first detect that the enemy drone is existing in airspace, and then find where is this drone, on the what direction, and then you just starting jamming. And the system is definitely decoding what kind of frequency the drone is using and jam exactly that frequency. So the system is very stable, very effective, and we believe close future the systems will be in every single police car, actually, because the drone technology is growing and growing and growing.